风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes another song by San Geu Tai. Interesting one called A Pregnant Revelation, or in Hakka, 将世代启示录. Now, it is a tune about the cravings of a pregnant woman and her experiences, and they infuse some elements of jazz and pop music to create this vibrant and lively tune. So let's take a listen to it.这首歌呢是由山狗大后生乐团所带来的《编织启示录》病子歌启示录。你们知道病子啊，其实就是怀孕的意思。那这个原本是一首客家小调，叫编织是描述妇女啊怀孕的时候害喜想吃的一些食物。那曲调原曲呢是比较哀伤一点，但在山狗大后生乐团的巧手之下呢，添入了爵士还有流行音乐的元素，成为一个非常活泼的曲调，带来不同以往的诠释，也收录了他们在金曲最佳客语专辑《岩风谣》里面。我们现在就来继续收听。
天下嘅後生，來說好就好，要唔想做安度。一點講人生單單嘅信念，有錢冇錢窮養狗，何必想安度？老人家講嘅上途，唔同唔家嘅後生，睇嘅上目嘅。上到8年之後，阿公啦阿婆夢見蒼蠅會咬架晒。
This whole month we're featuring music from their Golden Melody Award and Best Hakka Album called 岩风谣, and it's all by San Geu Tai Band. And that song you heard is 編織啟示錄 or A Pregnant Revelation. I'm Joseph Lin, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.